Today we are at Triumph again, and look what we found, a nice new Speed Twin 1200 TFC. Only 750 of these being made worldwide, so a little bit special. This is the 5th model to wear the prestigious TFC badge, representing the pinnacle of handcrafted British custom design. Limited edition motorcycle elevates the acclaimed Speed Twin 1200 RS with its exquisite design details, high performance components. Limited to 750 motorcycles worldwide, the Speed Twin 1200 TFC features carbon fibre bodywork, unique badging, machined bar end mirrors, leather suede bench seat, gold chain and fork lowers, and blacked out detailing throughout. Finished in a distinctive obsidian gold paint scheme. Every motorcycle is individually numbered and supplied with a certificate of authenticity. So what number's that one?
0.
Engineered to deliver an even more engaging riding experience, Speed Twin 1200 TFC features sportier ergonomics with clip-on handlebars, complemented by fully adjustable Öhlins front and rear suspension. Premium chassis components enhance precision control and rider feedback, while the Akropovic titanium silencers amplify the unmistakable Triumph soundtrack. So the engine is 1200cc, maximum power is 103.5 bhp, maximum torque 112 newton meters at 4,250 rpm. Seat height is 8 to 10 millimeters. So I could ride that.
How much is it?
18,495, I think. I like the way the exhaust comes around there, and then it's double exhaust, so one each side. It's quite nice and symmetrical, isn't it?
It's nicely finished, isn't it?
It does. That looks like quality, nice quality components.
What do you think of that gold? It's like...
Yeah, I don't know how they've done that.
No, I don't.
It'd just be a stick-on.
No, maybe a sticker. We don't know. Carbon finish looks good though.
Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of money, but
yeah,
lovely,
but it's something a bit
thing.
unusual. If there's only 750,
yeah,
you get something a bit unique, don't you?
That's it for this video. Quick video. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.